Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Here is the part 4. Get ready with our arrangement, and here we go. I'm going to write the alphabets in the block letters over the 5 lines, which is in continuation with my previous video. If you haven't seen it, just go through the videos in my playlist. In this video, I'm detailing about the letters of P, Q, R, S and T. After writing the alphabets in block letters, we'll start identifying the positions of each alphabet and the point of contact for each positions. Let's begin with letter P. We have 1, 2 and 3 positions. Now identifying the point of contact. In the first position, we have all the 5 lines in contact. In the second position, we have 1 and 3. And in the third position, we have 1, 2 and 3 positions. Now let's make them on the strip. Starting from the position 1. In the first position, we have all the 5 dots pointed, which means all the 5 threads have to be away. So taking the 5 threads and putting them away, roll the thread 2 times, hold it and put them back. In the second position, we have 1 and 3 threads. So take out the first and the third thread, that is the green and radium threads, away and roll it twice. Hold it and put them back. And in the third position, we have first 3 points. So take the first 3 threads away, roll the thread twice, put them back. Now give the letter space. In this video, I am taking only 1 thread letter space. Letter P is completed now. Now let's identify the positions for letter Q. This is a little bit complicated one. Just watch carefully. For Q, we have 7 positions. And there are few positions for which we have to roll it only once. So now all the 7 positions are identified. And now for each position, identifying the point of contact. In the first place, we have all the 5 threads pointed. In the second, we have 1 and 5. In the third, 1, 3 and 5. In the fourth, we have all the 5 points. In fifth position, we have third one. In sixth, we have fourth thread. And in the seventh, we have the last fifth line. To make the letter appealing, the positions 2, 5, 6 and 7 have to be rolled only one time. After making the alphabet, if you still feel the letter is big, you can roll the third position also only one time. I'm taking out all the 5 threads away as the first position has all the 5 threads pointed. So put them back in place. In the second position, we have 1 and 5. So taking the first green thread and the fifth violet thread away, roll it only once. Now in the third position, we have the third line included with the first and fifth. So take away the third one. Every time we no need to put back and forth the threads, we can just manage the positions. In the fourth position, again we have all the 5. So taking away the remaining 2 and rolling it twice. Hold them and put them back. Now in the fifth position, we have the third thread. So taking the third thread away, rolling it once. If you can cut short, you can just roll this position for 2 times and you can skip the 6th and 7th positions. Now take the 4th thread out for 6th position and roll it once. Put back the 4th thread and take out the 5th for 7th position. Roll it only once. Adjust the threads and give the letter space. Letter Q is completed now. Moving forward, let's see how to make letter R. This is also a little bit confusing part. If you don't do properly, you can get confused with letter A. For R, we will have 4 positions. In the first position, we have all the 5 point of contacts. In the second, we have 1 and 3. In third, we have 1, 3 and 4. In fourth position, we have 1, 2, 3 and 5. Except fourth, we have all the 5. The 2, 3 positions, if we roll 2 times, we will get the big letter. So, for second position and the third position, we will roll them only 1 time. Let's make them on the strip. In the first position, we have all the 5 points. So, taking away the 5 threads, roll it twice. Hold it. In the second position, we have 1 and 3. So take the first and third threads away, keeping the remaining threads intact. Roll it only 1 time. Hold it. In the third position, in addition to 1 and 3, we have the 4th thread included. So taking the 4th thread away, roll the thread only 1 time. Hold it. And for the 4th position, we have 1, 2, 3 and 5. So I kept the 4th thread back, taking away the 2 and 5 along with 1 and 3. Roll it twice and put them back in place. This method saves a lot of time compared to the traditional method. So after completing the letter, give the letter space. Here R is clear. It's done. Adjust the threads. Now let's see how to make letter S. For S, we have 3 positions. By this time you might have figured out how to make the positions and identifying the points. So in the first position, we have 1, 2, 3 and 5. For second, we have 1, 3 and 5. And the third, we have 1, 3, 4 and 5. Making them on the strip according to first position, except 4, remaining all the 4 threads have to be kept away, and rolling it twice. Hold it. In the second position, we have 1, 3 and 5. So leaving all the 3 threads away, taking out the second thread back in place, roll it twice, hold it. And in the last position, along with 1, 3 and 5, we have 4th thread included. So take the 4th thread away, roll it twice, hold it. Now close the letter by giving a letter space. At any point of time, if you feel you have to adjust the threads a little bit for perfect shape, you can do it. But while doing, don't change the position of the threads. Let them be in their positions. Letter S is completed now. Now let's see how to make letter T. I have already identified the positions and point of contact. So following the pattern, in the first place, we have to take out the first thread and roll it twice and put it back. In the second position, again we have all the 5 points in contact. So taking away all the 5 threads, roll it twice, put them back in place. And in the third position, again we have the first point in contact. So taking away the first thread, roll it twice, put them back, and close the alphabet by giving a letter place. Weave till the end to secure your work. Keep watching the playlist for remaining alphabets. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please like the video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe. Hook and knots.